All right, I hope you're ready for this. This is going to be super quick. We've written just a little bit of VBA, including a couple of really simple recorded macros, and now we're going to automate the experience of cleaning up, adding headers, formatting the headers to this workbook, to all the worksheets within the workbook. Now let me move my VBA window out of the way for a moment. First thing I want to do is I want to get rid of this recording worksheet. We don't need it. Once again, that was just used to help us record the initial 2 macros. So I'm going to right click on recording. I'm going to delete it. Let's get rid of that. And yes, I want to permanently delete that worksheet. Gone. All right. So imagine this. Friday rolls around. You've got a new data dump. There's 4 worksheets in there. There's 8 worksheets in there. There's 20 worksheets, however many you got in there. And I got to go through all of those worksheets. I got to add the headers. I got to format the headers and do whatever else I need to the data on each of those worksheets. Well, in steps are procedure. Clean up data. Well, let's move that out of the way. I'm going to go into my workbook. I'm going to go up to my View tab. I'm going to go into Macros, View Macros. There's my 3 macros, add headers, format headers. Those are great, but the one that we really want is the clean up data, because that makes a call to the other 2, and it loops through all of them. Now this is going to be really quick. I mean, you're going to blink and you're going to miss it. So make sure you got your eyes wide. You got clean up data selected, and I'm going to hit the run button. And I'm done. All 4 worksheets, if I go to east, they got headers. I go to west, they got headers. North, headers. South, headers. All done. One button press, because you've recorded a little bit of VBA magic. You've gone in there and you've edited it. You've created a loop that'll cause those 2 recorded macros to loop multiple times all through this workbook. So, what do you think? Try it out. Make sure you run it. If something goes wrong, right? First, before you actually run it, and I should have did this myself, before you run it, make sure you save. Save your work. Because if something goes wrong, no big deal. You just close, you reopen, get into your code, make any changes that are necessary in there. Make sure your loop is working correctly. Make sure your add headers and format headers macros are doing what they should be doing, whatever it is, and then try it again. But save time, save money, all by automating your experience through Excel VBA.